We wanted to show you where your cosmetic products and packaging are ending up.
A lot of the cosmetic products are unrecyclable types of plastic.
Wow. That's ridiculous. Why is it that cosmetic products in particular struggle to be recycled?
So something like this size, is recyclable. This is gonna get made into plastic lumber or park benches, something along those lines. Something like this, because of its size and the machinery that's used, even though it might be in a recyclable bottle, it's still full and it's quite heavy, so it probably won't end up with the plastic.
This also has very strong chemicals. This is a foundation. So you have to think about the groundwater contamination coming from products like this that's seeping into the environment. This bottle could probably be recycled, but not this top. Yeah. And there's 552 million shampoo bottles that are discarded annually in the US. So all of these can add up.
Yeah.
So I have a few products with me today that I want you guys to check out.
Yeah, I mean, you have two different kinds of plastic here. And then the size. In lots of situations, this is going to fall through and then goes to landfill.
What way would this work out?
Color is an important issue. A lot of black plastics are not recyclable.
And why is that?
When you try and make it back into another product, the only color you could mix it with is black.
The global rate for recycling is only 9%.
9%.
So 91%, it's ending up in landfills. It's being dumped in areas like Southeast Asia. Wealthier nations like the US, UK have been shipping their waste overseas for decades.
They're just dumping it wherever.
Yeah. Some of these communities were pristine agriculture areas, so now they're toxic dump sites.
The things that they can't recycle from it, they light them on fire, as they've done for thousands of years. But now it's plastic, and so the plastic is very toxic when you burn it.
A lot of these communities, they have respiratory illnesses. There's higher cancer rates. I think what's also important to remember is the plastics industry is trying to push production by 40% in the next decade. And by 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in the ocean if we don't do something.
But then how
is the world not going to just fill up with rubbish and then we're all screwed?
We really need to be looking at the bigger picture and pushing these corporations to do better. So writing to them, tagging them on social media, saying this is unacceptable.
The idea that we've created is throw it all in one bin and then, in the land of unicorns and fairies, the magic will happen. The reality is much grittier than that.